Hey kids, Chad. Hey, Chad. We're gonna get ready to put Miss Bonnie away, and we're gonna go through a couple things just before we get ready to put them away, and then of course before we drive it to storage, we gotta check the tires, make sure they're aired up. So we're going to use the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. They sponsored this. Stick around. Yeah, Airmoto Smart Air Pump. Got the instructions, right? The device. Ooh, hold on. Oh yeah, it's good. All right, comes with a bag, tips, a charger, and then the hose. Oh, check that out. Hose goes right in there. All right. And then we just screw this in. And we're good to hook, I'm telling you. Oh, check it out. Even has a deflate button. All right. Turn it on. Boom. Let's do it. Here we are, down by the tire. So we got vehicle, 35 pounds. We got motorcycle, 40. Bicycle, 38. That's ball, 8. And then custom. All right. So check this out, right there. Let me show you how to do this. Undo this one right here. Screw it right on. And it tells us what we got, 31.5. Start. There you have it. All right, we're gonna put it on the big tire. Won't mess around with anything else, and then we'll bring you around, tell you what we learned. One more time. All right. So, same thing, screws in. I didn't show you how to take it off because I figured if you knew how to screw it on, you could take it off. All right, we got 4 pounds put in. Let's check it out. Now, is 4 pounds a huge deal between now and when we're going to bring it back? No, but I got to drive it about 10 miles. All right, we're getting closer. Now, this is a very, very tall tire, and this did really a good job on bringing it up to pressure. There you have it. All right, kids. Here's what we learned today about the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. This thing's pretty darn good. Now, with the big tires, I'm using quite a bit of battery, but it's still going. I've got 3 of the tires done, and we'll be checking this last one. But anyway, I'll tell you what. You saw how good it worked, and you saw how quiet it was, or heard how quiet it was. Airmoto, super great to work with. I'll tell you what, this Airmoto Smart Air Pump is Honest Paint Speed Shop approved. We're gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna go put my hot rod away for the year. But check out Airmoto, check out the links, all that. Keep on wrenching, kids.